In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an account with Regions Bank. Setting up a new bank account can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Regions Bank website. Simply head over to your browser and type in www.regions.com. Once you're on the homepage, take your mouse to the navigation bar where you can hover over the checking and savings menu. Here, you'll find a variety of account options, such as checking, savings, and money market. Think about what suits your financial goals and daily needs best, and make your selection. Next, it's time to choose the specific type of account you want. Regions Bank offers several options, for instance, the Life Green checking or Life Green savings accounts. Review the benefits and requirements of each carefully. Once you've made your decision, click Open Now to start your application. Now, you'll need to fill out the necessary application form. This step requires you to provide some personal information. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, social security number, and your US address. Make sure to also include your contact information, like your phone number and email address. It's important to double check this information for accuracy before moving on. Once the application form is complete, you'll need to make an initial deposit to activate your account. Most accounts require a minimum deposit, typically around $50. You can fund your new account in a few different ways. You can use a debit or credit card, transfer funds from another bank, or send a check by mail. Choose the method that works best for you. With the application complete and your deposit made, take a moment to review everything one more time. Make sure all your information is correct. If the bank requests additional verification, you might need to upload a valid ID, like your driver's license. Once you're ready and everything looks good, click Submit. This will send your application off for review. After submission, Regions Bank will process your application, and pending approval, you'll receive a confirmation. This will include your new account number and routing number, which are crucial for transactions and setting up any automatic payments. Additionally, you'll get instructions on how to log into Regions online banking. Once set up, you can easily manage your finances from home. Congratulations, you've now completed the process of opening an account with Regions Bank. Remember, managing your account online is straightforward and provides numerous tools for tracking your spending, setting savings goals, and more. Thank you for watching, and feel free to visit Regions Bank's website at any time for further assistance or banking products that may suit your needs.